Understanding Running on Autopilot, a guide to everyday English. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating phrase that you might hear in everyday conversation. Running on autopilot. Understanding these phrases can really help you sound like a native speaker and grasp the nuances of English. So, let's get started. Running on autopilot refers to doing something automatically or mechanically, without actively thinking about it. Imagine a plane flying on autopilot. The pilot isn't manually controlling every action. Similarly, when a person is running on autopilot, they're performing tasks out of habit or routine, not because they're consciously deciding to do so. The term autopilot comes from aviation, where it describes a system that allows a plane to fly to a destination with minimal human intervention. Over time, this concept has been applied more broadly to describe any automatic or unconscious behavior in humans, not just machines. You might find yourself running on autopilot in various scenarios, such as driving home and not remembering the details of the trip because you've done it so many times. Making coffee in the morning while still half asleep, moving through the motions without fully waking up. Typing your password into your computer without thinking about the characters you're pressing. Here's how you can incorporate running on autopilot into your English conversations. I was so tired this morning, I was running on autopilot until I had my first cup of coffee. After doing the same job for years, she often feels like she's running on autopilot. While this phrase is versatile, it's usually not used for activities that require active, careful thought. For example, you wouldn't say a surgeon is running on autopilot during an operation. It's best used for mundane, routine tasks. And that's it for running on autopilot. We hope this video has shed some light on this interesting phrase and how you can use it to add flavor to your English conversations. Remember, learning a language is all about understanding the small nuances that make it rich and expressive. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more useful tips in our next video.